Hi, James. It's good to see you.
Hi, Sarah. Good to see you too. Are you waiting for a train?
Yes, I am. I am going to visit my grandparents. How about you?
I am also waiting for a train. I am going to visit my friend in another city.
That sounds fun. Which train are you taking?
I am taking the 10:30 train to Greenfield. What about you?
I am taking the 10:45 train to Riverdale.
That's nice. Have you been to Riverdale before?
Our train is delayed by another 30 minutes. I can't believe this.
Yeah. It's frustrating. But at least it's not cancelled. We could grab a coffee while we wait.
Good idea. I saw a cafe just around the corner. Let's go.
So, are you excited about the trip? It's been a while since we've taken a vacation together.
Absolutely. I've been looking forward to this. Exploring the countryside and staying at that little inn sounds perfect. How about you?
I'm really excited too. I could use a break from work. Plus, the photos of that place looked amazing. I can't wait to take some time to just relax and enjoy nature. Have you been to Riverdale before?
Yes. Many times. My grandparents live there. I visit them often. Have you been to Greenfield before?
Yes. My friend moved there last year. I have visited him a couple of times.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes. I do. It's comfortable and I can read a book or listen to music. Do you like it?
Yes. I like it too. I enjoy looking out of the window and seeing the scenery.
That's true. The view from the train can be very beautiful.
How long is your journey to Greenfield?
It takes about 2 hours. How long does it take to get to Riverdale?
It takes around 1.5 hours. What do you usually do during your train journey?
I usually read a book or sometimes I watch a movie on my phone. What about you?
I like to listen to music or sometimes I chat with other passengers.
That sounds nice. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I will spend time with my grandparents. They love playing board games with me. What about you?
I plan to go hiking with my friend. There are some nice trails near Greenfield.
That sounds exciting. Do you hike often?
Yes. I try to go hiking whenever I have free time. It's a good way to stay fit and enjoy nature. Do you like hiking?
I do. But I don't go very often. Maybe I should try it more. It sounds like fun.
Yes. You should. It's very refreshing.
By the way, do you know where the ticket counter is? I need to buy my ticket.
Yes. It's over there. Near the entrance. Do you see it?
Oh. Yes. I see it now. Thank you, James.
No problem. Do you need help with anything else?
No. That's all. Thanks for your help. Are you hungry? There's a cafe here. We can grab a snack before our trains arrive.
That's a good idea. I am a little hungry. Let's go to the cafe.
Great. What do you usually like to eat at the cafe?
I usually get a sandwich and a coffee. What about you?
I like sandwiches too. And maybe a juice. Let's go.
This cafe has good sandwiches. I think you will like it.
I hope so. I am very hungry now.
Me too. So, how are your grandparents doing?
They are doing well. They are always happy to see me. How is your friend doing?
He is doing well too. He recently got a new job. So he is excited about that.
That's great to hear. It's always nice to catch up with friends.
I should get ready to go to my platform. My train will arrive soon.
Yes. Me too. It was nice talking to you. James.
It was nice talking to you too. Sarah. Have a great trip.
Thank you. James. Have a safe journey to Greenfield.
Thanks. Sarah. Take care and see you soon.
See you soon. James. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to the channel to continue next lesson on this.